YouTube. Okay guys, so back with another video, and I've been doing a series on videos of showing things I actually use and how they work, which is why I'm showing you guys this surge protector, right? This is a surge protector I picked up from Amazon. The name of the company is UnBoxing, right? Now, a lot of companies make these. This is not some, thing that this company only one that makes. There's a bunch of these out there that are made by this one company or are sold by a different company. This is just a surge protector. So let's open it up and check it out. We're all accustomed to seeing surge protectors, right? You normally would get the old strip. I'll show you guys a clip of the old one I got. I still use and I travel with it. The old white strip, right? That's got the surge protector light on it. You plug your electronics in it. Well, this one is more of the new age electronics power strip, right? Because this one now has your USBs and your Type-C, right? It has this green light indicator here. When I plug it in and show you guys, it's going to turn green to let you know the surge protection is on. You have two 120 volts here in the front. You have two here on the left side, and you have two here on the right side. Now, what makes this unique is you're going, well, man, you can only just plug it in this way. No, this actually rotates. So you can put it in one way like this on this side, or you can put it in upside down if the plugs allows it on the other side. So you have many different ways you can apply this, right? Where you're adding protection to your electronics. Electronics are not cheap, guys. They're not. And it costs to use these things now. So I'm gonna show you me hooking this up in the bedroom. This is what I bought this for. So I don't have so many wall plugs, and then I can use my other plugs here to connect my HomePod Mini, because my HomePod Mini is on the opposite side of where I am in the bedroom. So I can hear it, but you like to have stuff facing you instead of behind you that you can hear it, right? So I prefer to have it facing me. So I'm gonna show you my little setup in the bedroom once I plug this in, just to show you how everything I have set up. And I'm doing these series, guys, so people who, because most people know I'm abroad, so people who go abroad, these are the little things you wanna have or take with you. Get them now. That way you protect yourself instead of you accidentally having something get taken out by a power surge, because power surges do happen. Power outages do happen. So take your time, get little things like this that protects your $3,000 laptop, your $2,000 cell phone or iPads, whatever it is you have, you always want to protect it. So let's go to the bedroom and let's check it out. Guys, so lighting in here is not the best, but I only have two plugs here. This cord, most should recognize, Apple Watch Ultra, and this cord is going to my iPad Pro that I keep in the bedroom. Here's how I'm gonna set it up. Guys, so you switch from that to this. So this top plug is for the iPad Pro. This plug is for the HomePod Mini that's sitting here now. And the USB-C is for the Apple Watch Ultra. So I still have the two bottom plugs underneath open, another plug at the top open, another plug here on the side, and two USB-A's open. So I'm good now. And if you look over here, the green light's on to let you know surge protection is on. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Just little things, guys, that people never think about to protect the investment that you have in your electronics. This system was $9.99 on Amazon. If you're abroad, they're gonna add an extra fee to it. You're gonna pay close to $20 for it, but it's well worth it to spend like $18 to protect $1,800. Oh, I'm gonna do this every time. All right, guys, that's it. I'm out. Peace.